Hey guys, it's me being Tori, okay? So I was thinking, I was like, eating the fig bar, and I was thinking, what if I do a video about cats? So I came up with some ideas that I was thinking. I could do all three videos, if I want, because I can. And when I do these videos, I'm also learning, but let's focus back on the videos about cats. So one will be a 5-fact video about cats. I know there's like so many of those out there. But let's do like 5 fun facts about cats. Another video idea I have is indoor cat versus outdoor cat. You guys know that I have my cat, Cupcake. She is an indoor cat, and I'm so blessed. We're thanking God, so blessed that we have a balcony where she can go out and look around the balcony, sniff the flowers, and take another nap on the balcony. But it's not like for her to go in and out anytime she wants. It's basically if I'm out there or my boyfriend's out there, she can go out there, and then it's mostly back to indoor time. And then another video I was thinking about is a video like the history of cats. Like, I know there's so much, going from like the Egyptian time to like what people thought about cats. I'm thinking that might be the most interesting, fun one to do. Actually, I think they will all be fun. So let's think about that. So comment down below, what do you think you would like to see? Would you like to see all of the 3 topics that I talked about? Or is there one that you want to know about cats that I could do some research and bring out the information for you to watch or to listen? So also I will link down below, I did a series of, I'm going to continue the series. Some of the topics got like hard to like research, but I'm going to do a series of, I've done a series of my siblings' careers correlated with African American history. So I myself, we're African American. We did the history of, one, my sister's a nurse, and then the African American history of nursing. And then 2, my brother, who is a security guard. We did a story of African American male who helped with a case that was so popular back in the 70s. He helped solve this case, and he was a security guard. So if you haven't seen those videos, I hope to really get those videos out, because I worked really hard, and the information, I hope it like enlightened people, made a person like, okay, this is some new information maybe. I know it was new, the story about my brother, the security guard one was new to me, it was a new history. So I hope you guys will watch it and continue. So I will leave those links down below of the videos that I made. So, and also think about on my page, I'm not sure if I mentioned this already, but on my page, how you could like post stuff. I have a voting thing of what would you like to see for a cat video, because I'm always posting Cupcake on there, and I see you like it. I'm really trying to make my YouTube grow. I'm about to hit 1,000, so I really want to make that my page grow. And yeah, I'm going to continue to focus on my cat. She's like gonna probably be number 1, and then also gardening, cooking, eating healthier. Those are probably 3 of my things. And maybe once in a while I will do like decor and stuff, like not too much, like fall and Christmas decor. So, but I want you guys to tell me, what kind of cat video do you want to see? Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this. I want you to give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.